guys, welcome back to our vlog. So today we are driving to Milford Sound and it's currently 6:47 and it's 2 degrees outside. It's so cold. Let me show you how it looks like outside. Look at that. It's still so dark and windy. Oh my god. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so apparently the car is frosty, so I need to pour water on it. Whew.
Look at it. Car completely frozen. Frozen up.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go, guys.
So we are ready to leave now. Car is warm, so is we.
Okay, let's go.
go.
Ganpati Bappa.
Moria.
Moria. Chalo, let's go.
Where's your sunglasses? Is it there?
So guys, currently we are vibing with artists, Marathi artists, and she loves this song. Yep. How do you like this?
Yeah, I like the beat.
Okay, so we are stopping for some gas.
Like stretch.
Yeah.
Wait.
It's currently 8:25 and it's still very cold. Let's stay here. Oh, it's so cold right now, guys. My goodness. How's the temperature?
2, right? Number 2.
Yeah, it's number 2. Is it full?
Yep.
Show me the temperature.
Weather.
Freezing right now.
It's 2 degrees.
Is 0? Oh my god.
Oh, 0.
Okay.
Okay, so let's keep going. We still have 42 minutes down to Anao. Oh my gosh.
Look at this. There's a car coming. Come.
Okay guys, quick update. We are in the middle of planet Earth. Yeah, actually we don't know where we are now, but yeah, we just stopped by here because the view is so great. Look at that. So quiet, so peaceful. And the mountain, oh my god.
You can hear the birds chirping.
Yeah.
We are entering at the national park. Oh my god. Look at that. So beautiful.
The sun rays. Wow. Okay, guys, so quick stop. We are at Eglinton Valley, and you won't believe at the view here. Take a look at that.
Look at that. Look at that mountains. I don't know, guys, how many of you watch Lord of the Rings, but if you know Lord of the Rings, I think this is it. This is Middle Earth. Crazy. Okay, time to go.
So another quick stop at Lake Gun. It's just by the road, and yeah, let me show you. So we have another crazy view to show you guys. Look at this. So we're leaving now, and we will continue our journey to Milford Sound, but I think we'll find another stop to have lunch because we didn't eat anything since morning, since we left the house. So we stopped by at this I don't know what it's called, but yeah, it's a big vacant area. So I think we'll have our lunch here. Starving. Oh. And this, we got bread here. Go. Okay. And yeah.
That's our lunch.
This is our lunch. So we have chicken lolly. We got chicken masala and rice.
Where are we? Quick update.
We are entering the Homer Tunnel, guys. Look.
Okay, there we go. The famous Homer Tunnel. And there we go.
Look at that. Oh my god. So pretty.
How was your experience driving in the tunnel for the first time?
It was good. It wasn't that scary because the other as other cars in front of me are also like very mindful with their speed. So and that's the view, guys. Enjoy.
Mountains are crazy huge. Like crazy.
Like so bright. 18 minutes away from Milford Sound. Look at that bird!
Oh,
Is that Kia?
yeah, that's
Oh
Kia.
yeah, that's Kia!
I saw a Kia.
Oh, I wanna see it.
Just saw a Kia bird.
We always sing that Kaha the Kia in school.
Finally, you got to witness it.
But I want to take photo of it closer. Guys, we passed by this, there's the waterfalls there, so we're gonna check it out. And look at the river. I'm not sure if you can hear me, but yeah.
There is a beautiful waterfall just right here. We can cross from here. No cars are coming across, folks. There, there it is. That's beautiful fall. Look at that. Ah, look at the clean water. That's so clean.
Okay guys, we're finally here at Milford Sound. And we're just looking for car park. Okay, actually the reason why we're here is we want to see the waterfalls. But then, so sad that there's no waterfalls now because it's sunny. Hopefully there's still car park.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, no, no, it's not close. Just keep going. Yep.
So we're finally here at Milford Sound.
There we go.
Look at that.
Okay, so we'll pay for the parking and
Until
$10
what
per
time?
hour. You already paid for the ticket.
Which is 10
How much is it?
$10 per hour.
Hello. Oh, there is a. What's that? What's that?
We have a friend right here.
Okay, I'm coming down. Yeah, there I am.
Here we are at Milford Sound.
There it is. Beautiful Milford.
We'll see what's at the
The visitor area, maybe.
yeah.
Yeah, we'll go at the visitors area and then we'll see what activities we can do or like.
We go on cruise or not.
Yeah,
But
'cause I don't feel like going on cruise anymore since.
it's very sunny and we cannot find the falls.
Yeah, and like
But who knows? There are falls.
up there, I don't think there are any falls, and I don't know, like doesn't give the vibe of the falls.
Yeah.
So maybe rather than thinking about it, let's just.
Sorry, guys.
No worries.
You guys go first.
Thank you. That's the head of Milford Sound. Pio Piotahi. Pio Piotahi? I think so.
Mitre Peak, that one. Mitre Peak right there. And then that is the Mount Phillips. Mitre Peak or Rahot.
Rahutu is the highest on this one.
1623 meter. So we're walking and look at the view. It's so beautiful. How do you feel?
I think nice. I would feel a bit cold.
Yeah. But look at that.
This is the boarding area where you get the tickets for the cruise. And we are just looking for coffee. There is the vending machine. So we are here to get some coffee. It's kind of cold right now. So we're getting some hot chocolate. It's a hot chocolate.
So let's have hot choco
Yep.
because the weather is so cold.
Feels good.
Yep. So let's go there.
This is the way for the cruise.
I
Oh,
really want to go.
huh?
I want to go. Just drinking hot choco with a view. So guys, it's final. We decided not to take the cruise
Since
because
there were how many waterfalls?
there are only two big waterfalls that we can see if we take the cruise. But we are after those hundreds of waterfalls. We'll skip that for now.
The whole reason we were here, we wanted to see the just waterfall,
But we came here on the wrong time because it's so sunny. Oh yeah, we might come back here. Who knows?
in spring.
Yeah, in spring. That's gonna be a rainy season.
But still, nevertheless, it's look at the view, the front.
Yeah, it's
Just
worth it. Worth the 4 hours drive from Queenstown.
absolutely, absolutely. Look at that. It's just too good.
Oh, I think it's the waterfalls there. You see that
Yep.
fog?
That's it.
So yeah,
So you
and
go
these
to-
are the cruises.
Look at her and her bag, carrying bag everywhere.
Shouldn't have brought my bag here.
Yeah, you shouldn't.
Okay guys, that's Milford Sound and we're heading to the hotel, check in and stay there for the night, and we'll be back home tomorrow in Queenstown.
That's all for Milford for now. So no waterfalls. Little disappointing, but no problem. We'll come back again in maybe in springs.
Yeah, but we had fun
Yeah,
here.
it's really
So
beautiful. here.
even on sunny day.
Especially-
Yeah, even without the hundreds of waterfalls, but yeah, it's all worth it.
Still, yeah,
Yeah.
it does. I didn't do the cruise, but yeah, I was more excited about the waterfall. That's why we didn't do the cruise. But yeah, maybe next time.
Next time.
There's too many sandflies here.
Yeah, okay guys, we'll end the vlog. So thank you for watching. We hope
Bye-bye.
that you enjoy the vlog as much as we do.
Yeah,
Bye.
bye-bye.
So many sunflies.